What if I told you that one tiny English word is like totally ruining your conversations?
Wait, ruining them? One word. Is it, the word no?
No, it's not no, Lucas. It's actually fine.
Fine. But, I say I'm fine literally every single day.
Exactly. That is the big problem. Everyone just says, I'm fine, thank you.
Right. And you?
Yes, and you. It's like it's a robot answer.
A robot answer. Okay, wait, I don't get it. Why is that bad?
Because, you are not always fine. Sometimes you are sad or angry or just tired.
Oh, yeah. Like yesterday, I was really tired.
But if I asked you yesterday, how are you, Lucas? What would you answer?
I would say, I'm fine.
See, you lied.
I lied. Oh my gosh, I did. I am a liar.
Welcome to English Pod Center, everyone. I'm Luna.
And I'm Lucas.
Today, we are learning how to, say how you really feel. No more robots.
I love that. No robots, just real people talking.
Right. Because saying your feelings in a new language it can be scary.
Very scary, because, what if I say the wrong word?
Exactly. People think, oh, I need big, hard words, but you don't.
Really? Because my English is, it's basic.
Basic is good. Basic is perfect. Let me give you a picture in your mind.
Okay, show me.
Imagine your body is a car.
A car? Like a really fast sports car. Vroom!
Sure, a fast car. Now imagine a red light turns on in the car.
Okay. Beep, beep, red light. That means danger.
The engine is too hot. Do you just look at it and say, the car is fine?
No, because the car will break.
Yes, it will break down. Feelings are the exact same thing. They are red lights.
Oh, wow. Wait, so being angry is a red light?
Yes, and being sad. If you just say, I'm fine, you ignore the red light.
And then I break?
Well, maybe you just cry at the supermarket.
That is so true. I literally did that last week. Wait, no, 2 weeks ago.
See? So we must learn the words to say it. Just simple, easy words.
Okay, so teach me, Luna. I want to tell people my red lights.
Let's start with the big three. Happy, sad, and angry.
Happy, sad, angry. That is very easy. I know those.
Too easy? Okay, let's make it real. When do you feel angry?
Oh, when I am hungry.
Yes, hungry and angry. We actually call that hangry in English.
Hangry? Wait, what? Like hangry?
Yes, it's funny slang, but let's keep it simple for now.
Right. Sorry, simple. Beginner words.
The basic rule is you say, I feel, and then the emotion word.
I feel. Okay, I feel happy.
Perfect. Now, what if you are not just happy, but very, very happy?
I feel very happy.
Good, but we can sound more natural. We use the word so. I feel so happy.
Oh, I feel so happy. That sounds better. Like real English.
Exactly. And if you are sad, what do you say?
I feel so sad.
Yes. Now, here is the secret trick. You add the word because.
Because. Wait, I need a reason?
Yes. If you just walk up and say, I feel angry, people get scared.
True, they will run away from me.
So you say, I feel angry because.
I feel angry because I lost my car keys.
Yes, exactly, Lucas. That is perfect.
Right? It makes sense.
It tells a story. You feel angry because of the keys.
Yeah, because if I just say, I am angry, people are like, why?
Exactly. Okay, let's try another one. Let's talk about being tired.
Oh, I am always tired. Always.
Me too. So how do you say it with the new rule?
Okay. I feel so tired.
Good. Now add because.
I feel so tired because I work too much.
Yes, or maybe because I woke up early.
Oh, because I woke up early. Yeah, that is good.
Now, I have a new word for you, Lucas.
Wait, a new word? Is it hard?
No, it is easy. The word is nervous.
Nervous? Like
Scared?
Yes, like a little bit scared. Not very scared. Just worried.
Okay, nervous.
Like before a big test or, a job interview.
Oh, yeah, I feel nervous then.
So, how do we use it? With our rule?
Let me think. I feel so nervous because
Go on.
I have a big test.
Perfect. See, you are doing great.
Wow, English is getting easier.
It is. When you know the rules, it's like a game.
Like a game. Yeah. But wait, Luna, I have a question.
Yes? What is it?
What if I don't know why I feel bad?
Oh, that is a very good question.
Like, sometimes I just feel sad with no reason.
I understand. That is normal. Very normal.
So what do I say then? I don't have a because.
You can say, I just feel sad today.
I just feel sad today.
Yes, the word just means, well, it means no big reason. It is simple.
Ah, okay. I just feel sad. I like that. It is easy.
Or you can say, I feel a little sad.
A little sad. Not very sad, just a little.
Exactly. It makes the feeling small.
Okay, let me try. I feel a little angry today.
Good. Or maybe, I feel a little tired.
I feel a little tired. Yes, I say that a lot.
We all do. Okay, let's play a quick game to practice.
Oh boy, a game? I feel a little nervous.
Very funny, Lucas. Okay, I will give you a place.
A place. Okay, I am ready. Let's go.
You tell me how you feel in that place. Use our rule.
Got it.
You are in a very dark forest at night.
Oh, I feel so scared because it is dark.
Excellent. Very good.
This is fine. Give me another one.
Okay, you are at a big party with all your best friends.
I feel so happy because I love my friends.
Perfect. You are so good at this.
I mean, I try.
Okay, one more. You are waiting for a bus.
And the bus is late? Oh, I feel so angry because I am late for work.
Yes, exactly. You feel angry.
I hate when the bus is late. It makes me so mad.
So mad. Wait, angry and mad are the same.
Oh, mad and angry. Same thing?
Yes, same thing. Like, happy and glad.
Okay, I get it. Glad, happy, mad, angry.
But what if you run for the bus?
Run? Oh, like very fast.
Yes, you run very fast, but you miss it.
Oh man, I feel tired.
Yes, tired because you run.
And maybe sad because I missed it?
Perfect, Lucas. Sad and tired.
It is like a balloon with no air.
Wait, a balloon?
Yeah, when I am tired, I feel like a flat balloon.
A flat balloon. That is a great picture.
Thank you. Luna, now it is your turn.
My turn? Uh-oh. Okay.
I will give you a place. You say how you feel.
Okay, I am ready. Give me a hard one.
Okay, you are eating a really big pizza.
Ooh, that is easy. I feel so happy.
Wait, the pizza falls on the floor.
No, the pizza.
Yes, how do you feel?
I feel so sad and, very hungry.
Hungry is a feeling. Good gob, Luna.
It is very sad. I love pizza.
Me too. Now I want pizza.
So let us talk to the people listening.
The listeners, yes.
How do you feel right now?
Yeah, you listening to us.
Are you happy? Are you sad?
Are you a flat balloon?
Are you tired?
Tell us, say it out loud.
Yes, say I feel happy or I feel tired.
Do it right now, in your room or in your car.
It is good practice. Very good practice.
If you are on the bus, say it.
Maybe not too loud on the bus.
Oh, right. People will look at you.
They will say, why is he talking?
So true. Just say it quiet. I feel happy.
This is the best way to learn. Talk about real life.
Yes, real life, not just books.
Exactly, Lucas. Books are okay, but talking is better.
So we learned happy, sad, angry, tired.
And scared. Remember the dark forest?
Oh yeah, the dark forest. Very scary.
You guys did great today. Very good English.
Yes, keep practicing every day.
And if you want more easy English,
What do they do, Luna?
subscribe to English Pod Center.
Yes, English Pod Center. Click the button.
Thank you for listening. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Go eat some pizza.